Don't you just love it when a package arrives?
I can't take horses. I love horses.
Oh my gosh, guys, it's here.
What?
The book! Move over.
That was fast.
I know,
Yeah.
I know. Okay, move over.
Ow! You're sitting on my hand.
Okay, sorry. Okay, remember I told you guys I was ordering this book about the alphabet? Do you know your alphabet?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, will you sing with me?
All right, okay. New book about ABCs. It's actually pretty cool. It's called A New Alphabet for Humanity. Yeah, I know. Aren't the pictures colorful? Okay, you ready? Let's read. A New Alphabet for Humanity. Written by Lisa McGregor. Illustrated by Daniela Sosa. I dedicate this book to all the children of the world. May you grow to be happy, loving, peaceful, and free, knowing you are never too small to make a difference. Lisa McGregor. A is for abundance. Abundance is knowing there is enough for you and enough for me. The more I give to others, the more I receive. B is for bravery. Bravery is having the courage to try new things. I am brave when I do something I've never done before. C is for compassion. Compassion is showing kindness and care for others. I have compassion when I help someone in need. D is for diversity. Diversity is accepting people who are different from me. While we may be different, on the inside, we are all the same. E is for empathy. Empathy is understanding how another person is feeling. I have empathy when I imagine myself in someone else's shoes. F is for forgiveness. Forgiveness is letting go of hurt feelings when someone upsets me. Forgiveness is holding love in my heart instead. G is for gratitude. Gratitude is thinking about all the things that make me smile. I am grateful when I give thanks for my day and the people I love. H is for happiness. Happiness is feeling cheerful and excited in my body. I am happy when I follow my heart and make time to play. I is for imagination. Imagination is making a picture in my mind about what I would like to be. When I use my imagination, anything is possible. J is for joyful. Joyful is a warm and happy feeling in my heart. I am joyful when I have fun doing what I love. K is for kind. Kind is being caring and helpful to others. I am kind when I do something nice to brighten someone's day. L is for loving. Loving is treating people with respect and gentle care. When I love myself, my love for others grows and grows. M is for mindful. Mindful is noticing what is happening inside of me and around me. I am mindful when I take a moment to pause and breathe. N is for nurturing. Nurturing is caring for people and our big, beautiful world. I am nurturing when I show my love for the earth. O is for optimistic. Optimistic is always looking on the bright side of life. I am optimistic when I expect good things to happen. P. P is for peaceful. Peaceful is feeling calm inside and knowing all is well. Peace in the world begins with peace in my heart. Q is for quality. Quality is the time I spend with my family doing things together. quality is also having good toys that last a long time. R is for respectful. Respectful is being kind to people and nature. I am respectful when I help take care of the world around me. S is for sincere. Sincere is being truthful and honest with others. I am sincere when I say something that comes from my heart. T is for thankful. Thankful is appreciating all of the wonderful things in my life. I am thankful when I enjoy special moments with families and friends. U is for unity. Unity is knowing we are all connected to each other as one big human family. Together, we can change the world. V is for vibrant. Vibrant is feeling happy and full of energy in my body. I am vibrant when I eat healthy food and spend time in nature. W is for wise. Wise is knowing the little things I do every day make a big difference. I am wise when I take time to learn and grow. X is for exhale. Exhale is the sound I make when I breathe in and breathe out. When I take a deep breath and exhale, I feel calm and relaxed. Y is for yes. Yes is being open to new ideas and experiences. When I say yes, I discover the fun of new people and places. Z is for zen. Zen is feeling peaceful and relaxed. I am zen when I live in the present moment, the happiest place to be.
Thank you so much for reading with me today. Now don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tune in to our colorful craft on Wednesday.